Check this out. I have just enabled the Windows roll up and down feature via the KEYFOB remote on my MK5 Jetta. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So let's just jump right into it. I will be using a laptop with a VCDS program and a VCDS cable. Plug the dongle end of the VCDS cable into your OBD2 port under your dash. Plug the USB end of the VCDS cable into your laptop. Turn your car on. Open up VCDS. Go to Select Control Module. Then go to 09 Central Electronics. After that, go down to here, Coding -07. Go to Long Coding Helper. And then right here at the up button right here, scroll up to byte 3. Right there. And then right here at this bit 5, make sure that is checked on. There you go. Comfort operation via remote control. Make sure that's checked. Now close out on this window. Then go down here to do it. Coding accepted. Hit OK. Close controller. Go back, and exit. Now let's check to see if the Windows roll down feature with the KEYFOB remote works. Turn your car off. So to open up the windows, we'll press and hold the unlock button. And to close the windows, we'll press and hold the lock button. Nice, it works. If you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys missed a video where I disabled the DRLs on the MK5 Jetta, make sure you guys go and check it out right here and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.